Hi guys, today we have got an order of some images for to remove their background and edit a little. So let's start. First image is this one. So we have to remove, let's place it, and you can see we have to make this person to look like no background. So for that, first of all, I have to keep it convert to smart object, and then we have to select the object to see if it works or not. We have some more options to work like, but we will try to use some options and see which one works well for us. So first of all, I selected by object selection tool and clicked on layer mask, and if we can for the better understanding, we will make the background layer black by pressing Ctrl and backspace. And if I see now, you can see that this image background remove quality is not good. So what should we do to make it better? Let's press Ctrl Z, quick export as PNG, as we need a low quality low MB image, and we are going to anyrig.io image upscaler website, and here we will upload it, and this will upscale our images. And then we will show you how to remove background in Photoshop with higher quality. So after that, we will see that the quality has increased, and now I will just save it. And after that, we have to go to the remove.bg website and just remove here. Just click on the plus icon and click on here, and this will remove their background within few seconds. And after that, you can see that the download option is only 612 into 407 pixel, but and download HD is not available for each and every time. So just download it as it allows. After that, just come here and place embed the removed one and enter. And after that, you have to do some magics. So before that, let's remove both, and let's place the both images as we have used them. We have placed two images. One is upscaled by the AnyRec, you can see the quality, and then we placed the removed background image, and now the work begins. After that, just place Ctrl and T and try to adjust it by pressing by clicking left with left mouse, and adjust it manually. After that, just press enter and click Ctrl button on the removed background image thumbnail, and this will select the image, and then come on the upscaled image. You can see the upscaled image here, and just click on layer mask, and this time the quality will be really good. And how we will see that? Just make the background black and you can see the quality has enhanced. And now we have to do a little minor things that we will see now. Just click on the layer mask here, and then select or under properties, select and mask. You can find properties panel under Windows 10. Here is the properties available. After that, object hour, keep it view on black, smart radius 9 pixel. If it works well, if it doesn't work well, just avoid it, and try to use this tool, refine edge brush tool, and just click here. See if it works well or not. If not, just try to decrease brush sizes and try different options. And I think this is cool. Now just add some feather to make the edges smooth. Also add some smooth, and after that just click OK. And now we have the image much better quality. Maybe we have to work on it again, because this, yeah, I think this is cool. Add some feather, add some smoothness. Okay, hopefully this is okay, and now click OK, and we have got it. Now just delete it, and it's time to work on the image again. And you can see that there needs a complete cloth. So I will just take the lasso tool and draw manually, and then I will click generative fill and let it complete itself. Let's just say generate, and hopefully it will make something which is related to the image. Let it have some time and space to work on. Sorry, maybe some issues arise, we don't know it. I don't know why it's taking time. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's generative fill with cloth. This time just say clo change cloth and generate. Let's see if it is having problem because of the prompt. And I think the problem was about prompt. Let's try different variations. I think we should generate some similar to this, and we will get some really good ones. Let's give it a time again. And I don't know why it's showing view guidelines. Let's see what it says. No AI ML training. When using RGI, you agree you will use only for a productive work product, not to train intelligence or machine learning models. Okay, I'm not asking anything. Not for anything here. Be authentic. I don't know why it's showing errors. Maybe it's for some reason. Let's copy it and convert to smart object and then work on it. Maybe it's for the masked image. I don't know why it is. Just trying different options to see. Hopefully this time we will get the result. No, professional advice. Generative AI features are not intended for professional advice. Use generative AI features to seek or non provide or other advice for your options judgment recommendation without connecting your. Okay, this was the advice, and I found this one great. So I'm just using both layers and pressing keyboard button Control E. Convert to smart object again, and now just select it, and this time it has been selecting some extra parts, so we have to remove that by pressing Alt button. Okay, I think it will not subtract like this, so I'm going to use the lasso tool. And hopefully this is much better version, and I'm just going to copy this image and convert to smart object. And now let's enlarge the image so that it has at least much better. So if we on the layer, and we can see the image quality, and let's work on it. Let's see if image upscaler can do anything with this. Quick export as PNG and just say image1 and PNG, and let's say if any image upscaler can do anything with this, keeping it PNG. I want it to keep the PNG but a little upgraded. Let's see if it can do that. Okay, let's download it firstly. Save. I don't know why it's blocked. Let's download it and see if it's doing PNG. Yes, it's doing PNG. Great. So we can enhance PNG here, but more enhancing can decrease the face quality. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to filter blur, filter camera raw filter, and now I'm going to adjust something from here so that the face looks clearer. Texture, clarity, dehaze, some noise reduction, some sharpening, some color noise reduction, and hit OK and see the difference. Hopefully this one is okay for my client. And now I'm just having the PNG by pressing quick export as PNG, and now it's time to replace that image. Hopefully this is how you can remove the backgrounds. I have shown you only one, and there are a lot to do, and I don't want to disturb you with 100 of images. As you can see, there are some more complexities while using a complex background to remove, and it almost took our 16 minutes to complete this. Thank you so much for watching this video till end.